Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Unlock the iPhone and return to the home screen to begin. Look for the folder icon on any home screen page or open the app library. Identify the folder by the visible app icons and name displayed beneath it. Count the apps inside if you need to preserve any settings or data before removal. Confirm that your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later to follow these steps exactly. If your device uses an older iOS, the interface may differ from this guide. Tap and hold the folder gently until app icons begin to wiggle. When the apps wiggle, the Edit Home Screen option is active on the display. Open the folder while the icons wiggle and touch any app you want to remove. Drag the selected app out of the folder and place it on an empty home screen spot. Repeat dragging for every app until the folder contains 0 apps and no icons remain inside. After you remove the final app, the empty folder will vanish automatically. Press the Home button or tap Done at the top right to stop the icon wiggle mode. If you prefer deleting apps instead, remove them from your iPhone using the Delete App option in the wiggle menu. To restore everything to factory positions, use Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Home Screen Layout. That reset reorders apps but does not delete personal data or accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.